everyone, welcome to my podcast channel Speak English with ELA. My dear listeners, you must have heard the sentences like the successful people don't do the different things, they do the things in a different ways. So, what are the different ways? Do you know? So many times you have heard these kind of questions that what the people are using the ways that they can become successful person easily. But my dear listeners, to become a successful person is not that much easy task. It will take time consuming also, and it will take a lot of efforts. So efforts, hard work, patience and consistently practice. These are the things making someone to become a successful person. Now, apart from all these things, I would like to tell you that how you can set your goal to become a successful person. Yes, you are listening the correct thing. Today, in today's audio, I am going to tell you about the goal setting, how you can set the goals and how you can achieve it. So, I'm going to tell you the importance of goal setting also and how you can set your goals in easily 3 steps. That also I will share with you. Everyone can dream about anything, but that dream is just remain a dream if you will not take an effort to make it true. To set a goal, it's not only a task, but it is the intentional and deliberate activity which you have to push yourself towards the success. Goal setting is very easy task that everyone can do on the 1st January, but after 10 days you are forgetting whatever you have setting the goals. So that is the problem of the process. So first of all, to just set your goal or set the destination, it is not sufficient thing, because whenever you are just focusing on the goal and setting your goal, after that you are not focusing on your process. So in today's audio, I am going to tell you about that process, that how you can set the goal. Apart from that, how you can do the process on the journey, which can be enable you to get the success or to achieve your goals. Everyone person is always surrounded with lot of goals or lot of dreams. Everyone has lot of dreams in their personal life, professional life. In the journey of life, goal is a very essential thing. It's your destination. So before you start your journey, you should set your destination once, and after that you should have to select your career journey according to your destination. You need to organize everything in a proper manner, and that's required three steps of the goal setting. So what are the 3 steps? First is the set your goal. You can take the you can take the pen and paper, and you can write down on the paper that your what is your passion and what is your ambition. What is the things that you desire more prominently? You want to achieve that things by hook or by crook. That things you just have to write down on the paper. Now you can divide that things according to the short term goals and long term goal also. Short term goal means next 2 to 3 years what you want to achieve, and long term goals means which you will have to achieve in next 5 to 6 years. Life is a journey, so in this journey destination is important. Like in the same way, career goals are important, but the personal goals are also important. So one must have to fix the goal in their for their personal and professional life too. Now after that, a goal without a plan is just a wish. This is one of my favorite sentence. A goal without a plan is just a wish. If you cannot plan, or you cannot start to focus on your journey, then your goal can be remain on the paper only. So that's why after setting your goal, you need to have a plan. Whatever you set the short term and long term goals, first of all write down how to make a plan, implement. How much time will be required to achieve that goals? How will you achieve these goals? In what manners? Whatever skills, knowledge, courses are required to achieve that goals, you have to first of all start to achieve the knowledge. You start to acquire that skills, and then your dream can be true. Then see, you have done the goals, you have set your goals, then you have done the planning. After that, action. Because always my mother is telling me that your action should be louder than your words. If you are just only focusing on the wordings and you are telling to others that whatever you have the plan, it is just these things are just the stories. So that's why you have to take an action first. Then people will able to understand that yes, you have the set the goals and you have proper planning of it. So after setting goals and the planning, you need to focus on the action, because without taking an action you cannot achieve your goals. Taking action is the last step but essential to make your dream come true. It is not important to see dreams only, but implementation is more important. So take the action is getting one towards the final destination. So these are the easy techniques I have explained you, that how you can achieve your goal. So first of all, just only not focusing on your setting the goals, but focusing on the planning also, and implementation also, means to take the actions also. So all the best for your future, and let me know when and how the way you can achieve your goals. Stay tuned. Thank you.